Hey guys, hi. Hello. We are here just to go over what happened today with our trades. And so the Exodus strategy called a sell position, had a pullback, stopped us out, pullback. We re-entered that position. We said the price was going to come down to the 38, the 39.88 area, came down to that area, hit TP1, pulled back. We had a pullback. And so from that pullback, it came back down to our next area. And that was the 39.80. We said 39.88, and then we said 39.80. Price went ahead and just pushed on down to the low. And we said if it pushes down any further, it's going to go down to where we have it marked, which was the 39.22 area. And so price more than likely is going to possibly pull back on the 1 hour, probably come back up a little bit, have a pullback, and then going to have a continuation to the downside. We are looking at price pull down right now on the 4 hour. We see that it is in a downtrend. The trend line is above the candles. So that is a downtrend. So we are seeing that price is, the momentum is for a downtrend. We see price pushed down this morning. We did say that we were looking for price to break this area of 39.95. Price broke that area. It pulled back first to about that 4007.6, then pulled back down, came back down to that 39.95, and then broke past that area. We said once it broke past the 39.95, we were looking for selling positions because it had been ranging. And so we go down to the 15-minute. We see that price was ranging in this area. We had it marked from here to here, ranging in this area. It called, the Exodus strategy called a sell on the 15-minute time frame as well as the 5-minute time frame. It called it on the 5-minute and the 15-minute, and it hit TP on the 5-minute time frame. I'm sorry, the 15-minute time frame. It hit TP, and so price came down and it hit TP. We're looking here. And so price continued to move. It continued to move. It continued to move down. And we see now that price it pulled back to the trend line. It pulled back to the trend line. And now it is pulling back down, and we're probably going to see it push to the downside. It's 209. Not looking to take any positions at this particular point, but just coming in just to show what took place today. The market was very volatile, very choppy. We were waiting for our move. We got our break. Price, we were waiting for price to break and retest. It kind of pulled back into here a lot stronger than we were expecting. It broke like a fake out and then pulled back up. And then it came back down and continued to move to the downside. Did catch this move, did catch some of this move, got out, took partial profit, but nonetheless got green for the day. And so this was a move that if you didn't get a chance to get into this move, if you got in at the pullback, you would have been able to catch some of this move down. But you would have had to get in at the pullback once price began to pull back from this area, hit the trend line, and then continue to push down. That is where you would have entered for another selling position. And so this is day 2 of our funded challenge, day 2 of our 28-day funded challenge. And so wasn't able to get on this morning at 9:30, but was able to come on now. Just wanted to do a quick recap of today's trade and what the market was doing on MGC Gold. I did trade some on a different funded account, MENQ. I did trade MENQ today. And so I will eventually be incorporating MENQ, but I did trade MENQ today, did well on MENQ. And so going to be showing the tools that we have as well for MENQ. what we have. So guys, want to make sure that you plug into the 28-day funded challenge, plug in with the community, learn this skill, teaching this skill. I teach you how to trade the market. I teach you the fundamentals of the market, the basics. Because if you don't know the basics, you're not going to be successful long-term, right? So this is what we did for today. So I'll see you guys on tomorrow, day 3 of the funded challenge. Peace and blessings.